Hey guys, no matter what iPhone you've got, to insert the SIM card is the exact same process for any of them really. The 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, they all have the SIM card actually on the same side. So you will notice on the side where it's got the volume keys, it's also got this hole right here. So that's where the SIM tray is. Don't get the SIM tray confused with a micro SD card. That's completely different. You cannot expand the storage of any iPhone. However, the SIM tray, that's where you put in your SIM card so it works as a phone. So what you have is this tool. It came inside your box with your iPhone. If you lost it for any reason, just use an earring. That always works really well. And what you need to do is just put the pin inside here. Then you have to press on it. Press pretty hard on it until it just pops open. Once it pops open, just take out the SIM card tray. So there's the tray. You can only put it in one way, by the way. You cannot put it the wrong way in. And now that you got the tray, here's our SIM card. So SIM cards usually come in these type of things. So just take out the smallest one from the adapters. And that's the one that works with almost all iPhones now. Only really old iPhones at the moment would use the bigger size one. Anyways, this is the smallest one. And on your tray, so I'm just gonna turn out around my tray because that's where I can see that this goes. This will go like so. Then it fits in. So just try it out and see which side will fit, and it's supposed to fit like so. So it fits exactly it, okay? So as long as you guys see it flush, like so, you're good to go. So right now, if I take my phone, I can just flip this over, put it in there, and there we go. That's it. That's all you guys have to do. Right now, you can power on your iPhone. Now, if you did this when your phone was turned on, no big deal. I do that all the time. Nothing has ever happened. But technically, for safety reasons, it's better if you turn off your phone before you take out and put in a SIM card. But again, I do want to mention that it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, nothing happens when you take out the SIM card when your iPhone's turned on. And it's going to be the exact same thing to take out your SIM card. Take out your SIM card from your phone. You're going to take your tool that came with your phone inside your box, or just choose an earring, push down there, then your SIM card will be in here. So this is our SIM card. And once again, it doesn't matter if you guys have an iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 mini, it's the same thing for all of them. So it would actually be the exact same instructions for all of these phones. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.